In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to a video on Vimeo. Whether you want to enhance your content with captions, highlight important points, or just add a personal touch, this guide will walk you through the entire process in just 5 minutes. So, let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Vimeo account. Open your web browser, head over to Vimeo's website and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one beforehand, as this step is essential for uploading and editing videos on their platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to your video library. Here you have two choices. You can either upload a new video or select an existing one from your collection. To upload a new video, click the upload button and choose the file from your device. If you opt for an existing video, simply browse through your videos and click on the one you wish to edit. Now that you've selected your video, it's time to move into the editing phase. Locate and click on the Vimeo Video Editor option, which will take you to Vimeo's editing suite. This is your workspace where you can make all the enhancements and adjustments needed. In the editor, find the text button. This is where the magic happens. Click on it and you'll be able to start adding text to your video. A text box will appear on the screen and you can type in whatever message or information you wish to include. Think about what you want your viewers to see. This could be anything from subtitles, commentary, titles, or even fun facts about the content. It's your chance to be creative and informative. Customizing your text is the next exciting part. Vimeo allows you to play around with various font styles, sizes, and colors. Select a font that matches your video's theme or brand, and adjust the size so it's clear and readable when your audience watches. Don't forget to pick a color that contrasts well with your video's background, ensuring that your text is not lost on the screen. Once your text looks great, it's time to adjust its duration and position. With Vimeo's timeline feature, you can decide exactly how long the text should appear on the screen and set precise start and end times to align with specific moments in your video. You can drag and position the text box to any part of your frame, whether you want it at the top, bottom, or perhaps following an object in motion. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can effortlessly add text to your videos on Vimeo. Remember, adding text can significantly enhance the viewer's experience, providing clarity and a professional touch to your content. Have fun exploring and experimenting with text in your videos, and see how it transforms your storytelling. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.